Hello chess lovers, Soren here, and I would like to share with you a very fascinating endgame taken from a game played between Azer Mirzoev and Zbigniew Pakleza. This game was played in round 8 at Presolana Open 2018. Now if we have a look at the position, though white has an extra pawn, but in return black has a very active rook, and actually the position is equal. But the thing is that in this position, Pakleza, who was playing with the black pieces, found a spectacular continuation in order to force a draw. Let's see how it goes. He first played King h5. From the first sight, this looks like an illogical move. You may ask, but what is this king doing on h5 square? The g4 square is successfully controlled by white pawn and there is no way to intrude inside white's camp. But just have a look. King f3 was played, now comes b4, it takes b4, and this time a3, forcing white to capture on a3 as well, after which Pakleza went for another insane move. This time he sacrificed his rook on e3 square. This is fantastic, guys. King takes e3 was played and g6. And now it turns out that whatever white plays, the game is going to end up in a stalemate. King d4 was played, after which black has no legal moves and this is a stalemate. Now can you understand the whole idea of bringing the king on h5 square and then going for several sacrifices, after which the game ended up in a stalemate? This is simply insane, guys. Pakleza simply buried his king and ended up the game in a draw. That's just unbelievable, guys. It's hard to believe, but yes, this is a position taken from a real game and this is not a composed endgame study. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this endgame. For more chess stuff, consider subscribing to my channel. I will see you in the next video.